Good morning, children. This is our English literature class. This is your English literature book, children. Oxford Reading Circle. Today we are going to read chapter 1, The Hungry Mouse. This is at page number 9. Open your book and read with me. These are the words, children, that you are going to learn through this chapter. Mouse find, steal, corn, hungry, pass, think, down, some weeks, very thick, once, month, basket, cloth. So first read the chapter, children. Then we will discuss the words. It is a hot day. It is a hot day. Mr. Mouse is hungry. He wants, hungry, H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. Okay, H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. He wants, W-A-N-T-S, wants some food. He looks here. He looks there. T-H-E-R-E, there. He looks and looks. He cannot find, F-I-N-D, find any food. The days pass. Mr. Mouse is thin. The weeks pass. Read again, children, this page. It is a hot day. Mr. Mouse is hungry. Mr. Mouse is hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. He wants some food. He looks here. He looks there. He looks and looks. He cannot find any food. The days pass. Mr. Mouse is thin. The weeks pass. So, children, Mr. Mouse does not have any food, and that's why he is very hungry and he looks for food here and there. In this way, weeks pass, days pass, weeks pass. How many days are there in a week, children? There are 7 days in a week. Okay. Next page. Mr. Mouse. Look at the words, children, carefully. Mr. Mouse is thinner. So, he becomes thinner. Thin to thinner. Okay, more thin. A month passes. Still, there is no food. Mr. Mouse is very thin now. I am very thin, thinks Mr. Mouse. I must eat something. Mr. Mouse goes down the path. He sees a basket of corn. See, you are in corn. With a thick cloth on it. There is a hole in the basket. There is a hole in the basket. So, children, Mr. Mouse finds a basket of corn and there is a hole in the basket. Mr. Mouse goes in the hole. Mr. Mouse is very thin. So, as Mr. Mouse is now, he is very thin. So, he can goes through the small hole. Okay. Mr. Mouse eats the corn. And in the basket, Mr. Mouse eats corn. He eats and eats. I am full, he says. So he eats and he becomes full now. So what happened next, children? The next page, page 11. Now he doesn't stop. So when he becomes full, but he does not stop and continue eating. He eats and eats. Mr. Mouse is not thin now. Now he is not thin anymore. Help, he shouts. I cannot get out. So children, as the hole was very small and he is not thin now, so he cannot get out through the small hole. Mr. Rat comes by the way. Mr. Rat says, Mr. Mouse, get thin, then you can come out. So Mr. Rat says, Mr. Mouse, get thin, then you can come out. So children, this is the story, and this story is written by Nicholas Horsburgh. Nicholas Horsburgh. So children, read the story again. Read the story at least twice, and in our next class, read these words, children, these words with S, starting with S. STILL still, STOP stop, SPOT spot, SPILL spill, then BEST best, PAST past, GASP gasp, WSP wasp. Read these words also and read the story again. In our next class, we will complete the exercise part of this chapter and I will give you the question answers. Thank you.